This video is a summary of the RightFax user mailbox. Let's double-click on the RightFax icon. Your username is your network login and password. From the mailbox, you have another way of sending faxes. You can manage your personal contacts, and you can review your outgoing, incoming, and failed faxes. To send a fax from the mailbox, click on the new fax icon. You can enter your recipient information here, or if you want to pull information from your personal or the office contact list, click on More Recipients. On the right is your contact and office directory. Search for your contacts. Once located, select it and click on Add to Recipients. You can also add a new recipient . Add the company, fax number including the area code, and the phone number is optional. To add this entry to your personal contact, you can check Add to Contacts. Click on Add to add it to your recipient list. Click on OK to return to the Send Fax dialog box. Choose the cover sheet for your court unit. Any comments can be entered under the notes. To check your sender information, you can click on the options, and this information is pulled from your preferences. Click on Add Attachment and select the document that you want to fax. Click on Open. Your attachments is listed. Click on Send to send the fax. Based on how your preferences are set, you can turn on notification options so that you can send email notifications for any faxes that are successful or failed for outgoing faxes. For received fax options, you would check on Deliver my received faxes to this email address so incoming faxes are automatically sent to your email. Click on the X to exit preferences. You can also check on outgoing faxes from your sent mailbox. Double-click on it to open it. Here listed is your recipient name, company, the fax number, the number of pages, and the date and time the fax was sent. If you double-click on the entry, you can get a preview of your fax that was sent. Click X to close the preview. Other options you have for faxes sent: the Open opens a copy of the fax. Print will allow you to print to one of my printers, which is one of the printers connected to the network. Save, you have the option to save to your desktop or your computer. You can delete the item, or you can click on Empty Folder, which will delete everything on this list. Forward gives you the option to forward this fax to another fax number. Resend will resend the fax to the same recipient and number. And Refresh will update the list. Even though your preferences are set to send faxes to your email, you can check your inbox for a list of all faxes that were sent through RightFax to your email. Listed are received from, total number of pages, and when the item was received. If you want to review the fax, double-click on it, and it shows you a copy of the incoming fax. Click on the X to close it. With the inbox, you have the same options as you did with the sent. You can open the file, print it, save it, delete it, empty the entire folder. You can forward the fax, route the fax to another person, or refresh to update the list. The outbox gives you the status of outgoing faxes that are pending, that have failed, or that may have been canceled. From this list, you can open to view the fax. You can print the fax. You can save a copy of the fax to your computer. You can delete the fax, or if the fax has failed, you can click on Retry. If your fax is pending, you would have the option to cancel it. You can click on Refresh to update this list. If a fax has failed, the audit information may assist in identifying the problem. Once you select the fax, click on Open, and then click on the Audit tab. An outgoing fax will have 4 attempts before it stops sending. The trash box is a list of faxes that have been deleted. Here you have the option to open the fax, to undelete the fax, to delete the entry, or to empty the entire trash box. You can also click Refresh to update the list. Click on Contacts to add or edit existing personal contacts. X to exit. When you're done, you can close the window or click Sign Out to exit RightFax.